Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to your maths lesson for today. Now in today's lesson we are going to be learning about higher and lower. So at the end of today's lesson you will understand how to define what is higher and lower. You will identify different items that are higher and lower in the city, and you will differentiate between the terms higher and lower. Now let's get started. These are your key vocabulary. So I am going to say each word and I want you to say it with me, please. High, higher, low, lower. And the last word is city. Amazing, good job. Now, if you look at this giraffe, I don't know if you remember, but when we went on our virtual school trip, we got to see a giraffe at the London Zoo. Now, how is it possible for the giraffe to reach its food high up in the tree? Amazing, good job, because the giraffe is tall. Now, if you look at the Burj Khalifa, is it shorter than the giraffe? Amazing. No, it is not. It is, what's the word that I was going to use? Amazing work. Good job. It is taller. Now, today we are learning about high or low. So I am going to read a story to you. And please remember, if something is high up, it's further up in the sky. If something is low, it's lower down. When I say these words, you are going to do the following actions. If you hear the word high, you're going to put your hand way up high. If you hear the word low, you're going to put your hands down low. And if you hear the word city, you're going to clap your hands. Okay, now let's get started with the story. So don't forget to listen. If you hear the word high, I want you to put your hands up high. If you hear the word low, I want you to put your hands down low. And if you hear the word city, I want you to clap your hands. Now let's get started. Don't forget to listen. Fatima went on a road trip to the city with her family. In the city, she saw a beautiful eagle flying high in the sky. As they went further into the city, there were loads of cars. Some of the cars were really big with high rooftops, and some were really small with low rooftops. She realized that some of the buildings were higher and some were lower than others. Now I hope you heard the words, and I hope you put your hands up high if you heard the word high. You put your hands down low if you heard the word low, and you clapped your hands if you heard the word city. Amazing job. Now, I want you to look at the following picture and you are going to answer some questions about it. So look at this picture of the park. What objects are high and low? Amazing. The cloud is nice and high. The birds are high up. The sun is high up. And what is low down? Good job. The people are low down. The grass is low down and the dog is low down. So if you know other options, you can write them down. Do you think the sounds in the city sound the same from everywhere? So if you're standing high up, will you be able to hear the sounds easily that are low down? No, because you will have to come closer to the sound. Amazing, good job. Now it's time for some fun. We are going to do an experiment together. So you will need a clear water bottle, some water, and a ketchup sachet. If you don't have a ketchup sachet, you can find something that is small and made of plastic. It must be something that is light. Now, I want you to follow the steps. This is a ketchup sachet so that you understand what it is. Now, step number 1. I need your water bottle to be empty. There must be nothing in it. So drink up your water, or you can save it in a jug for yourself for later. Now, I want you to place the ketchup sachet into the water bottle. Now, I want you to fill the water bottle up with water. I want you to squeeze the bottle slightly, only slightly. Don't squeeze it tight because the water is going to come out. Squeeze it slightly. Then you're going to put the lid back on and make it really tight. Then I want you to release. What happens to the ketchup sachet? I want you to look at what happens. So if you press the bottle, where is the ketchup sachet going? And if you release, where is the ketchup sachet going? Now, I want you to try this on your own. You are going to experiment with the water bottle. You are going to see when the ketchup sachet goes up high and when it goes down low. Now, amazing work for today's lesson, my love. I'm so proud of you. Now, I would like you to please click on the following link to end today's lesson, and you will answer the questions about the lesson so that I can see how much you understood from the work that we did today. And if you finish the work early, you can always watch some of these YouTube videos which are about high and low. Now, well done for today's lesson. I will see you in the next one, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.